Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm here with another tutorial video on how to create a Clickbank account. So for that, first go to your web browser and on the search bar search for clickbank.com, and then it will take you to the website, the web page. On the upper right corner you have this start here button. Click on that, and after that it will give you a quick guide. Just skip this quick guide, and after that it will take you to sign up page. And here you have it is asking you for your country, your first name, last name, mobile number, email address, password. After entering all this, hit the continue to terms and conditions, this button. And after joining Clickbank, it will ask you to complete your profile by asking you your personal information, and after entering your personal information you will be ready to create a Clickbank account. So that's it guys. Creating your Clickbank account was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.